Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this one we are looking at a brand new stock. This one is called Astrazeneca. So you may not have heard of it, but it is kind of significant with the news that has been going on recently. We're going to be talking about all of that in tonight's video and whether it is a buy. Now of course it is a rather expensive stock and I do appreciate that, so maybe it might be a fractional share buy or something along those lines, but you know, is this a stock which you might want to keep on your radar in the future? So of course that is the topic of tonight's video. If it does sound like a good topic, let's leave a like and subscribe please. Let's check how many subscribers we are actually on. So we're not doing bad at all. You know, if you guys could just keep subscribing, it would help the channel so much, so please do it. And of course, if you did want to come and talk to us about stocks on Discord, link to the Discord server will be down in the description. Similarly, if you did want to come and help the channel out, you know, you can become a channel member by clicking on the join button, which is located next to the subscribe button. So yeah, let's not waste any time, let's jump straight into this video. So if we are having a quick look at our screens right now, we can see that this stock has been trading quite wildly over the past 5 days. And of course, the main news about this company is the approval of the Oxford vaccine, which is kind of in partnership with this company. So yeah, obviously it's a UK based company. It is on the London Stock Exchange, not the New York one. And we can see, I do believe the price would subsequently be in pounds. So yeah, in my opinion, it is nice to see a stock from the UK be approved for a vaccine. I think, you know, this really does present some growth opportunities. So of course this was only today, I do believe, yes, 10 hours ago, and of course we have seen a bit of a spike recently, but will it go even higher? So yeah, my personal view is it does definitely have room to go higher. Now of course, if you have been looking at this stock over the past, you know, year period, maybe even a bit longer than that, we can see it's been a slow growth stock. You know, it's been doing a decent amount of growth, but you know, it's not really been your highest growth option. 2020 put a lot of volatility on the table anyway, with the potential vaccine from early February, as people were, you know, banking on these types of companies to produce them. Pfizer was of course the first one to get approved, and now we have this one as well. Now, of course, only approved in the UK so far. If it does get approved in other countries and is able to ship out from the UK, I think that would also help the price. I think another thing just from the price action, and this is going off the past year, by the way, so, you know, it's not as recent, but obviously we have been seeing stable growth up until 2020. We all know that all stocks took a dip back in about February, maybe even March. And from there, you know, we did see a bit of growth, to be honest, all the way up to about 8,449. So yeah, not bad at all, but you know, from those highs we've unfortunately dipped quite a bit. And now we're almost at the same price that we were at the start of the year. So is this one a steal anyway, especially with the most recent news that has come out? So obviously on the 1 month we are still down, and I do think that is definitely decent. My personal view for this stock, and of course I'm only going to give it quickly because I am not a financial advisor, but my personal view is that this one absolutely should have some room to grow. It's definitely a very stable stock anyway, so if you did want to invest in the medical sector, you know, potentially it is a decent stock to invest in. But obviously looking at the price and whatnot, I think it's definitely potentially not the best buy. It's one of the more expensive ones out there. I think this one would definitely need a stock split anyway, because it's definitely overpriced. However, you know, with the news that has come out, I don't think that the market has fully reacted to that yet, because even if we look at today, yes, we are seeing a bit of, you know, kind of room on the start of the day, in the sense that we did open high, but you know what, we've dropped since the market opened, so that's kind of unfortunate to see. We've been dropping all day. So you know, the vaccine has been approved, and I do think at market open tomorrow, or at least into the next week or so, and definitely into Q1, as I would like to see some positive results for income, we do have potential to see an increase in this share's price. I would definitely like to think so anyway, if not for the vaccine news. So I do believe that the CEO of this company did say that the company does not aim to make a profit off the vaccine, so that's interesting to see, but we'll just have to see how things go. Either way, you know, this is potentially a buy for the future, but maybe that profit thing is something to consider. That is what I will leave you with in this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.